Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here. How do I reply to a person who's asked for more information on my teaser post? Here's what I made earlier. There's a special offer with Builderall and you can start a business with $1. So I've just got a screenshot and put a little teaser question in, and I've got a few comments here. So the name of the game is always reply. If you reply, hello, Kenneth O'Brien, thanks for replying, sending you a message. Ah, right. When you reply underneath there like that, it means that this post will go to the top of the feed. And every time it goes to the top of the feed, so if you've got, say, 5 people, you could do 5 people now, and in a couple of hours do another 5. Or if you've got that many, you can do 10 now and 10 later. Because if you use this method, you can get absolutely loads and loads more comments than if you didn't write this down. So that's the first step. The second step is click on the message and say, hi, Kenneth. Would you, and ask them, because they've probably forgotten, even if it's half an hour beforehand and you've gone and done something else, you've forgotten that you've commented on these posts. I can guarantee that. So what you do is you say, would you still like to know about starting business for $1? Copy. Actually, I won't copy that because I need a space in the middle. There you go. Control A, Control C. There. So I can't spell business, but it doesn't matter. You get the idea. Okay, next one. Dina Daniel. I've spoken to her before, actually. Change the name. Hi, Dina. Thanks for commenting on my post in Liam's, I can't spell Liam's group. There. Did you see what I'm doing? I'm changing everything at least by 1 word. Tina, Daniel, click. If it goes blue, they get the message, so-and-so has mentioned you in a comment. So then they'll go and look at the post or go and look for your name in their messenger thing. Just send. Right, do you see what I'm doing? I am not spamming my link because they will have forgotten, even if it's 5 minutes before. Here's a new guy that I've just met. So, hi, Justin. Oops. Great to meet you again. In here, sending you a message. Doesn't really matter about the typing as long as you get the message. Always, always, always keep changing it. Hi, Justin. He's just joined my group. Look. Hi, Justin. Would you still like to know to start a business for $1? There. I'll do one more, but you've got the idea now, haven't you? Now Now, you can actually, just before I go, if your opportunity isn't for this looks like India, don't answer it. In fact, I'm not going to answer it because, come on, guys, I don't want somebody who puts that in on a, you know, use your noggin. I'm not going to answer that one. Meta Johnny looks all right. And he's got a good profile. And he's in Singapore, so sounds quite intelligent. Hey, Meta Johnny. Hope you're well. Do you still want info? Okay, so I've just sent a message to Meta Johnny. Just sent you a PM direct message. Okay, guys, you get the gist. That is how to stay out of Facebook now, guys. See you next time. Bye.